Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to post on Tumblr. So let's get started. At first, make sure you are logged into your Tumblr account. To start creating a post, click here or you can create a post from down. Tumblr offers various post types including text, photo, quote, link, chat, audio, and video. Click on the icon that corresponds to the type of content you want to share. Depending on the post type, add your content. For text, write your thoughts. For photos or videos, upload your media. For quotes or links, input the relevant information. Customize the post to fit your style. Enhance discoverability by adding tags relevant to your content. You can also explore additional options like scheduling post or adjusting post visibility. Once your content is ready and you are satisfied with the settings, click on the post button. Okay, your content is now live on Tumblr for the world to see. And there you have it. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.